folks, if you've been struggling to learn how to play bluegrass guitar, if you have been watching other videos here on YouTube and you're a bit overwhelmed, or you think that it's too complicated, or they're teaching you in a way that just doesn't make any sense, or perhaps it goes too fast, or if you've been here watching my channels and you've been one of the people that have commented about my approach to teaching this style of music, how it's just nice and laid out, we go chunk by chunk. I think that's the way that this music should be taught, because quite honestly, it's tricky to learn, and if you go too fast, you're going to become frustrated, and then it's not that much fun. So going nice and slow, bit by bit, in my opinion, is the right way to learn. And in this quick video here, I just want to tell you guys about a promotion that I'm running on my Flatpick Foundations beginner bluegrass guitar with yours truly here this week of February 10th, 2025. But I want to tell you something really crazy first off. I was doing my research to try to find the price of like the average guitar lesson, like a bluegrass guitar lesson from folks that have that publicly posted on their website or where have you, just to learn on like a 45-minute to hour-long Zoom call. The average was $100. Now, I do offer that as well. If you're interested, check the link down below in the description. But I'm here today to talk about an offer that's great for folks that are just trying to get in, but they don't want to work with that kind of price point. So for the next week, to give you guys the best value possible, I'm running a special where you're gonna get 4 months inside the course for the price of 3. So that's 4 months of access. If you go to the website and just click any of the links, it'll take you to where you can sign up. You're gonna wanna hit where it says 4 months. There'll be an option there for $90. You don't even have to use a code. Just get in there, and you're probably asking, well, can I cancel it anytime? The answer is yes, you can go in. Oftentimes what I do is I just like cancel it immediately. That way I don't forget, and you'll still have the access because you've paid for it, but you won't get charged again. Now, there is a lifetime option that's the best deal you're going to get, period. You might want to take a look at that. But the big advantages of being inside of that course is that all of the lessons are laid out in a way that connects, in a way that's going to teach you the basics, where you can kind of build your skills off of one another. I go nice and slow in a way that you understand. I don't introduce confusing musical concepts. I know that for me, when I'm trying to learn, even at my level, that can really throw off the learning outcome when, you know, the teacher or whoever it is I'm watching, or I'm subscribed to their thing, when they just kind of go off somewhere, or they introduce words and phrases and things that I don't understand without explaining it. We go really slow inside of this course. That way you can learn, and there's been great feedback so far. Folks saying, hey, this is actually beginner course, and they've hit the problem before of it not being beginner. So enough yapping. If you are interested, check the link in the description. This offer will disappear very soon. It won't be around forever. And this is a great way, because for some folks, it might be that you just require 3 to 4 months of learning. Maybe you've got a lot of time on your hand, it'll be perfect. Other folks, you know, me included, if I were a beginner, it, you know, took me a long time to get the technique down and to just put in the reps and learn. And so there's other options for that sort of thing. So go check it out below, and we'll see you guys on the next lesson. Bye-bye.